Hi everyone, I'm Horiatul Safiana Jalila from the English Education Program. Will explain some material from the Education Science course. The foundation of education is the basic for critically analyzing the rules and realities of educational policy and practice. The legal basic for education in Indonesia in the Republic of Indonesian Law number 20 of 2003 concerning the national education system is stated in Article 6. Every citizen aged 7 to 15 years must attend basic education. And in Article 34 reads every citizen aged 6 years can follow the compulsory education program. There are 9 kinds of educational foundation.
Number 1. Philosophical foundation. The philosophical foundation is the foundation that relates to the meaning or the nature of education, which seeks to examine the main issue in education, such as what education is, why education is needed, and what should be the purpose of education. Number 2. Sociological foundation. Education is a social event that takes place in a social interaction setting. Because education cannot be separated from the effort and process of mutual influence between the individuals involved in it, and the process of mutual influence between the individuals involved in it. Number 3. Legal foundation. Education is a multidimensional event related to various aspects of human life and society. Various aspects of human life and society, policy, organization, and the development of education in society need to be challenged by a clear and legal fulcrum. Number 4. Culture foundation. Educational events are part of culture event. This is because education and culture have a reciprocal relationship. Culture can be preserved and developed by passing it on from one generation to the next through education, both informal, non-formal, and formal education. Number 5. Psychological foundation. Psychological foundation is one of the important foundations in the field of education, especially in human understanding, especially regarding the process of human learning. Number 6. Scientific and technological foundation. Education and science, technology, and art are closely related, especially in the form of learning. So, education plays a very important role in the inheritance of science, technology, and art. Number 7. Economic foundation. Humans in general cannot be separated from economic needs because basic human needs require the economy. Economic development is also an influence in the field of education. Number 8. Historical foundation. The historical foundation provides an important role because it can make the direction of thought to the present. Every field of activity that humans want to achieve, to advance, is associated with the state of the field in the past, including the field of education. And last, religious foundation. The religious foundation is the most basic foundation. Every national education requires students to follow religious education because the religious education system is expected to be a call for productive thought and collaborate with the needs of an increasingly modern era.
The flow of education has 3 types. Number 1. Classical flow in education. Number 2. Modern school of education in Indonesia. And number 3. Mainstream of education.
Of the first type is classical flow in education. Number 1. The school of empirism. The school of empirism stems from the local tradition which emphasizes external stimulus in human development and states that the development of children depends on the environment. Number 2, the native school. The native school stems from the Leibnizian tradition, which emphasizes the inner capabilities of the child so that environmental factors, including educational factors, have less influence on the development of the child. Number 3, the flow of naturalism. A view that has in common that all newborn children have good innings, but that good innings will be diminished because they are influenced by the environment. Number 4, convergent school. The convergent school that a child is born into the world already accompanied by good and bad innings. The process of child development, both inner factors and environmental factors, but have a very important role. In the second types, modern school of education in Indonesia. Number 1, progressivism. Progressivism is an educational movement that prioritizes the implementation of child-centered education in school. Number 2, essentialism. Modern essentialism in education is an educational movement that protests progressivism against the value embedded in culture or social heritage. Number 3, reconstructionism. Reconstructionists view education as the ongoing reconstruction of experience in life. Number 4, perennialism. Perennialism is an educational movement that maintains the universal values exist and that education should be a search for and cultivation of these truths and value. Number 5, idealism. The school of idealism is a school of philosophy that glorifies the soul. The school views and considers that what is real is only an idea. And last step, mainstream of education. The principal school of education in Indonesia are the Taman Siswa Nationality School and the INS Kayu Tanam Education Center. These two schools are seen as a milestone in thinking about education in Indonesia. Education stimulus figure. The heroes of education include for teacher competencies. For pillars of education according to UNESCO.
Thank you for watching it until the end. Hopefully this material is useful for me and all of you.